Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel roshniwithhina. Today I will discuss the topic influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is like the social media version. A word of mouth on steroids. It involves partnering with individuals who have a significant online following, promote a brand, product or services. These influencers could be anyone from celebrities and industries expert to everyday people who have amassed a loyal following in a specific niche. Here's the scope on influencer marketing authenticity rules. Audiences crave ethnicity. Influencers build the connections with their followers based on trust. So the key is finding influencer whose values align with your brand. Micro and versus macro. There's a spectrum of influencers from mega celebrities with millions of followers to micro influencers with a more modest but highly engaged audience. That right choice depends on your goals and target demographic. The power of niche. Sometimes a niche influencers can be more impactful than a broad reaching one if your product is specific. Finding an influencer deeply embedded in that niche can make your message resonate. Content is king. Influencers are content creators, whether it's Instagram posts, YouTube videos, or TikToks. The content they produce is the vehicle for your brand message. Collaborate on content that feels natural to their style and resonates with their audience. Metrics matter. Beyond like and shares, look at metrics like engagement rates, click through rates, and conversion to measure the success of your influencer campaign. It's not just about visibility, it's about impact. Risks and rewards. While influencer marketing can yield fantastic results, it's not without its pitfalls. Authenticity can backfire, and the wrong influencer choice might harm your brand. Thoroughly vet your influencers and ensure they align with your brand image. Advantages of influencer marketing. Increased brand awareness. Influencers can help introduce your brand to a wider audience as their followers may not be familiar with your products or services. Improved brand reception. Influencers can shape how people perceive your brand by associating it with positive values and experiences. Enhance credibility and trust. Influencer endorsements can build trust and credibility for your brand as their followers view them as experts in their field. Targeted audience reach. Influencers have a specific niche following, allowing you to reach a highly targeted audience aligned with your brand's ideal customer base. Effective product promotion. Influencers can effectively promote your products or services through authentic recommendations and demonstrations, making their endorsements more relatable and impactful. Cost effective marketing. Influencer marketing can be a cost effective way to reach a large audience, especially compared to traditional advertising methods. measurable results. Influencer marketing campaign can be tracked and measured through metrics such as engagement, reach, and conversion, allowing you to assess the effectiveness of your efforts. Disadvantages of influencer marketing: potential for fraud and fake followers. Some influencers may have inflated followers counts are engaged in inauthentic practices, making it challenging to gauge the true reach and the impact of their endorsements. Difficulty in finding the right influencers, identifying influencers who align with your brand's values, target audience, and overall marketing strategy can be challenging. Lack of control over influencer contents. While you can provide guidelines, influencers have creative freedom over their content, which may not always align perfectly with your brand messaging. Potential for negative publicity. If an influencer's reputation is tarnished or their endorsements backfires, your brand could be associated with the negative publicity. High cost for top influencers. Collaborating with highly popular influencers can be expensive, potentially limiting your options for influencer marketing. Time consuming process: building relationship with influencers and managing influencer campaign can be time consuming, recurring, dedicating resources and efforts. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.